Hello everyone and welcome to our Tech Tuesday tutorials number 147. Today we highlight the upcoming CSEdWeek 2021. Computer Science Education Week is an annual call to action to inspire K-12 students to learn computer science, advocate for equity, and celebrate the contributions of students, teachers, and partners in the field. It's coming up on December 6th through 12th, so you may want to get ready for some great computer science activities. Computer Science Education Week is a community-led effort made possible by the collaboration among many partners, including CSTA, Code.org, the ECEP Alliance, CS for All, and the Kapoor Center. You can learn more about CSEdWeek at CSEdWeek.org. On the site, you can learn more about computer science heroes, a diverse group of people making a difference in their fields. You can get posters, promotional materials, and welcome activities to get things launched at your school. You can also join the community, learn about events, and get involved with their social media promotions. From there, you can explore links to activities like Hour of Code, which you can find at hourofcode.com. 1-hour tutorials designed for all ages in over 45 languages. There are introductions, tutorials, and resources, including how-to guides for educators, districts, parents, and so on. Their library is searchable and can be filtered by things like grade level, what type of technology is used, subject, and even whether it's a self-led or traditionally led lesson plan. It's a wonderful way to get started with computer science. The lessons come complete with intro videos, handouts, and may even have offline unplugged options. Yes, unplugged, offline, with computer science. Now we're going to show you that in a bit, but for now, let's check out a sample lesson plan based on Minecraft.
Just in time. Welcome to the Voyage Aquatic. I'm about to embark on a quest to find hidden underwater treasure, and I'm very glad to have your help. Who knows what we'll encounter along these mysterious waterways?
Commands. And on the large area on the right is your workspace. This is where you can stack commands to build your program and control from the toolbox into workspace, stacking them and then click. If you want to try again, click the reset button to toolbox. Remember,
You'll see that these lessons start very simply, and they allow the students to iterate. That is, the students can make mistakes in safe ways while getting immediate feedback on their work, only allowing them to continue when they're successful.
Great! We've caught a codfish! Puzzles are bound to be trickier.
Some of the last puzzles must have been a bit tiresome. Do you ever wish you had a way to do something over and over again? Like, washing dishes or brushing your teeth without getting tired or bored?
That would be nice.
Computers are really good at doing the same thing over and over again, using coding loops. When you want your program to do the same instructions many times, you can use a loop. The loop contains instructions with the command to repeat until goal. Once your program starts a repeat until goal loop, it will keep running the instructions inside until it gets to the goal. Try this for yourself. Place the commands you want to repeat.
It also uses great educational methods such as ratcheting up the difficulty, honestly like any good video game does, introducing more skills on a slow drip. Google is getting in on the CS Week by offering virtual visits to your school from a Google professional. Yeah, you can sign up to have a real Google professional speak to your students about the value of computer science skills in their futures, so that you can ask them, and you can also ask them to volunteer to facilitate an hour of code lesson for you and your students. Use the link in the video description to access this page and get more information, read the FAQ, and sign up for a visit. But do it quickly because these slots I'm sure are filling up and CSEdWeek is coming soon. And if you're watching this after CSEdWeek, that's fine. The hour of code and all these resources are still very valuable. If live streams are your thing, you can tune into an Ignite experience with a Google professional, Spend 30 minutes to hear from a diverse group of people using CS to tackle real-world problems at Google. Now, remember when I said that some of these Hour of Code experiences offer unplugged options? No joke. See this as one example for grades 4 through 8. Notice how it's broken into 2 lessons with time frames, lesson information, and downloadable material. The materials are pretty extensive. Looking at the lesson plan, you'll see it's a Google Doc with overview, physical materials, full instructions on whether you're doing this remotely, in person, or even blended learning. There's a print-friendly booklet for making student handouts, which are equipped with QR codes to join the online Scratch activity if you decide to plug in. This lesson has 3 activities, which include hooking up networks, encoding emojis, and even making secret message decoder wheels. And all of this is free. I know some of you hear computer science and you think high school, advanced, and so on, but I hope you'll check out some of these resources because they introduce computer science concepts at a very, very basic level for elementary students to be able to comprehend. And whether you've got a lot of computers, a couple of computers, no computers, whether you're face-to-face or hybrid or whatever, they've got something for you. Check out the links in the description and enjoy CSEdWeek 2021. So I hope you all enjoyed this video and I hope you found it useful. And if you did, go ahead and hit that like button. Heck, why not support us and click that subscribe button. Click on the bell icon to receive email notifications. Leave a comment or idea for a Tech Tuesday video below. Share this video with your friends. And we'll see you guys in the next video. Bye-bye.